People ask me what Environmental Lights does, and our tagline is "We transform environments," which I love because it's kind of cool sounding, but it also really captures what it is that we do here.
You can change an entire environment by shifting the light color or shifting the brightness of a light.
Lighting has an amazing leverage effect that draws people in.
It catches your eye. We're stimulated by our senses, and lighting is a sense stimulator.
If the lighting is done right, your customers come in and they say, wow. You only have one chance to make that first impression, and the lighting is a part of that.
What we're doing is kind of past the functional and into really creating that experience, that mood, and that's important because it really is, emotional at that point.
We provide an amazing standard of high quality LED lighting solutions. It's going to be within the budget that you need, and you're not going to have to worry about whether it's going to last in the field.
There's a lot of companies out there that sell product, and we really sell the service and we really sell the value of what we can bring to the table.
Everything that we do, we go a little bit further than maybe somebody else would. That comes into play with our products. It comes with our customer service, engineering. Just everything we just do a little bit more than our competition.
We really help to deliver a beautiful package so that our customers feel like they have a partner and not just a vendor or a source. They can come to us for support in every part of their project.
As partners, we know that their problems become our problems too, and we want to help them walk away with a solution.
We are there to watch their back, make sure they look good in front of their boss, make sure that they look good in front of their customers. We know our clients appreciate that, and we spend a lot of time really listening to them to really understand the challenges that they're facing.
There's so many little tiny details that our clients need, and it makes all the difference of them winning their projects and serving their end users.
People come to us with all sorts of ideas and concepts, and we really work hard through customer service, engineering support, technical expertise to make those ideas come to fruition.
We have a full custom build shop at Environmental Lights where we can manufacture first article products for our customers so that they can have their hands on and physically see the impact that this particular light's going to have in the environment that it's in.
Having our guys be able to pull product and solder leads and make jumpers or cut down to specific length or install products in channel, that's something that our customers value big time.
We have got a great staff that proves again and again that they can solve customer problems. And that's the thing that really reaps rewards down the road because our customers know we care. We're not just flipping them products and selling them stuff for the short term. We're developing a relationship over years. And it's wonderful knowing that you can pick up the phone and have someone that you know is highly competent, that you can trust to fulfill your needs. And so people tend to like that and want to come back and use that service again and again.